Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV.
Come. Who is the senior person?
Okay.
How are you? Good afternoon. What of daddy and mommy? Okay. You are police children?
Yes.
I'm a police child too. So someday, when you read your book and grow, you too can become governor, you can become senator, you can become president, you can become doctor, you can become lawyer. Okay? Don't let anybody deceive you that police child cannot become anything. You know? Yes. You are what God said you will be. Okay? So take this, go and share. Who is the most senior person here? Oh yeah, come, auntie. Good news. Okay. You are good news. I won't forget your name. Make sure you share it. Don't cheat them. Okay, take.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.